guess everything in Finland is borrowed from somewhere. Some food from Scandinavia, some food from Russia, some from Estonia.
I'm brilliant now. Now it's going to the sport piano.
Okay, please attention. Right now I will be introduced by myself. My name is Indrek and I will be a little bit lead this game. Each team must find one good idea what they will be present to others. We need the best possible idea. It can be whatever, plan, action, service, product, building, changing, project, everything. But it must be fun, creative.
Okay, you're a great team, and our idea is there are a lot of houses around the world that is not used by anybody and it's ready for demolition. But they have like 10-year period before they're like demolition now. So, instead of just making these houses stand empty, you use them as cultural centers.
Hello, we are Team Yellow and our main idea is subculture youth cafe, and maybe I would start where this idea comes from.
We are the black team and we are the black team.
I'm the black team actually.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, the black team.
Also the black team.
Yeah.
We are the black team.
Black house.
And our main problem is that there's no information.
Yes, at all.
The idea is that one day a month we will get a venue with music, a theater and a museum to get free entrance for youngsters.
Oh, that's an elephant.
Right, that's like I said. Elephants, I like elephants.